Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get your Google Gemini API key, and to do so it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now first go to Google and then type Gemini API key, and then you will find this first link here, Google AI Studio. So click on it, you will be redirected onto this page. Now of course you will have to log into your account. I am already logged into mine here. So you'll have to enter your credit card information to verify your account with an identity document, and then you will be able to generate an API key. And here you will just have to click on create API key and then select your project. Let's select my first project, for example, and click on create API key in existing project. Now wait for it a few seconds to load, and here the API key has been successfully generated. Of course, do not share it with someone that you don't trust, and you'll just have to copy it and paste it onto your code. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.